This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have Depil unboxing. I'm gonna show you different hair trimmer remover from your nose and ear with 3 different machines from 3 different brands. The first machine here we have Braun Precise Trimmer. You can see German brand here, that is German. 2+ here, you can cut beard or other hair trim with this trimmer. You can see how it is. And the second machine we're gonna unbox, you can see here Remington, established in New York, 1937 Nano series. This one nose and detail trimmer. Lovely looking machine, washable. Okay, lovely looking packaging as well. Old company, this is from 1937. And the last machine would be Remington T series. This is more precise machine. Tail kit, so complete detail kit. This one for precise styling with ease. It's come with most of the tool. It has 3 heads and few other tools. So this is expensive one, 34 euros. 20 euros and 22 euros the price. Dollar could be similar. So I'm gonna unbox and show you guys. Lovely packaging, nothing fancy. So I'm gonna open this one and I will show you guys how it is from here. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Wow, let's see. Wow, beautiful packaging. This one stand will go with this. Wow, beautiful looking stand close at the bottom. Lovely with fingerprint magnets. You leave some fingerprint spots. So here we go. A huge manual, very bad way. The manual they sent, folded, very ugly looking way sending manual. Not necessarily this much big manual, could be small paper, would be fine, but doesn't matter. Here is the product, is a pack. Can take this off as this. We'll go with a durable Duracell battery, alkaline, not a charging battery. I would expect a charging battery, but doesn't matter. So put this one at its place. What more? We have a head to cover this up. Okay, this is a covering head, not to use. Fine, not bad. More heads if you want to cut your hair or other things, you can use this one with these heads. Lovely, good thinking, good quality of product. Here we go, the machine. Wow, it's a beautiful product, guys. The build quality is magnificent. Braun Precise Trimmer, very light though. You have a head on in this case. Wow, you can rotate and you can take this off. More here plastic. Okay, should be metal or something. Philips or other, they are more metal, but whatever. It has only one head, so you'll not take out the head. Okay, for wash or other purpose. You have a button here, power on and off is better. The button in here, some machine they are bottom another place, and down maybe you slide. You take this off as this and you put the battery. So I'm gonna put a battery. I like more rechargeable batteries, so I have a Energizer rechargeable battery. So I'm gonna put this on, I think this way. Put this inside. Okay. The price of this product 22 euros, but the quality is not that level. Here is a plastic, it can break very easily. If you drop, it can break as well. So I put inside this one, sorry, this way. Wow, beautiful looking although, and I hit here. It's good, but I don't feel that much power as a Philips. You can take this off, this one, you see how is the blade. Now I can show you more precise. Now I feel better. The blade seems much more better and powerful. We can add another head here. You see this one? You see how beautifully goes inside. Now you can cut your hair or other stuff with this one. Okay, the button is very beautiful. So here we go. You see, this is Remington, established New York, 1937, 100 years old company, Nano series, nose and detail trimmer. Very detailed it should be. I've tried many of them, another product from Remington Phillips. So I'm gonna check this is good or not. So here the main machine picture, +4 is written. Different other information as well. Okay, you can wash. This is washable. You have some extra head. You can cut your hair or other stuff or beard as well. And here you see this is one blade. You can cut the hair from your nose and your hair or other places as well. So multi-purpose, you can use this. Here we go. Very lovely is coming out. Here we go. And let's see. Okay, let me take this out slowly. Lovely packaging. Let's see what we have inside. Nothing. Fine, I put one side this one. Here we go. This pack is something as Amazon Fire Stick, this one. Very simple. Other Remington product had better packaging, but whatever. Let's see. Here is the main thing. The machine wrapped in the paper. We'll go to that later. Let's see what we have more here. This is very rubbish way. They pack the manual, you can see. Very ugly way. You can pack manuals. Wow. Very bad, looks very ugly, cheap way. Machine is not cheap, 20 euros. It's a good value. So let's see what we have here. Let me take this off from here. Let's see. So we have a battery. This is good thinking. Alkaline battery should be rechargeable. It would be better. And some other stuff we have. We have a head. You see, lovely, very beautiful. This one I like, it's elegant. Okay, the head. Put one side here, bottom. Okay, let's see this one. We have one of the heads, lovely. It's coming with extender, I can say that. And you can take this out as well. You see, lovely, this is head. Looks quite good, guys. Interesting, the blade you can see here. This head as well. You can extend. You have different size here. This I like. The other company, they don't have this one. So in this case, this is better. You can adjust the size. Philips didn't have this one. Put inside, I think this is the way. You can take this as a travel kit to cut your hair, beard, nose, whatever you want. Yeah, this one is good. And main device here, wrapped in the paper. I'm taking out. Lovely. This is a quality product, guys. The other Remington that I bought, that was 12 euros, that wasn't that good. But this is a quality product. You see, you can washable. You can see here the grip, how it is. Remington is written and is heavy. It feels as a power. This must be battery. Lovely. Take this off from here at the bottom. You can put a battery in this case. Wow. So I'm gonna put a rechargeable battery. This is from Panasonic InLoop. I like this battery, it's very good. And let's see how we can put inside. I guess this way, or maybe this way. Maybe this is the way. The power button is on. Okay, in this is good or bad, I don't know. Button is down. You see here, you move is on, move other direction is off. On and off here. See, on. Awkward way putting the button, to be honest. Yeah, this one I don't know what is the function. And I'm gonna take this out. This, you see, lovely, this one. Show you the blade, how it is. And I put from down. It has a power. I feel good power in this. See the blade, how it's moving. Wow. But the button position is not good, guys. Whatever, I'm gonna take this head off. Clockwise direction, if you move, I guess I can take this off. Here we go. Easy, looks something as the Philips the same way. Better than Wahl. That is another I tried, the German brand. And I'm gonna put another head here. Lovely. Tight a bit. And the bottom. You move only the button I don't like, but here you see it's powerful. It's vibrate a lot. You can see this is another Remington more premium version. In this case, Remington T series. This is Remington T series. You can see here detailed kit. I think this is one of the best price. Could be 34 euros. And sometimes you can get some in promo as well. You see complete detailed kit for precise styling with ease, guys. Here, so you can wash, 100% washable, precise, exactly on target, perfect precise, because I need something precise. Titanium coated blade. It also resharp itself, the sharpness. See more information written. Beard shaping and trimming, nose and ear trimming, fine detailing. So you have many type of tool in this pack. You see this tool, and we'll see exactly more other thing. Beautiful pack in this case. Okay, so I can open from the top. Here we go. Let me take this off. Okay, good packaging, I guess. So first thing, here we have, let me open one by one. So we have a pack, a paper wrap pack. No more plastic these days we have in Europe. Let's see. This is a battery from Remington. They have their own battery because it's 100-year-old company, so they produce everything. So lovely. This goes this side. At the middle, some manual sort of thing here. I guess take this off. From here, this one wrapped. I think this is the machine. We'll go this one to later, and we'll see here more what we have. And if I can take this off all together, you can take this out, all this together as this. So here at the middle, I see something is between wrapped here. Very interesting. I don't know how to open this one, but we have something between. Okay, here we go. Maybe this way. I don't know. Wow, something as this. So we have all the tools at the middle hidden. Lovely. So we'll go to them one by one. See, first here, small pack wrapped in a paper. This is one kit. You can see here the best part of Remington, you can adjust the length. 53142 centimeter, if I'm not wrong. These are, or millimeter. These are millimeter, I guess. Okay, so this is one kit. Then what more we can see here? This is another kit. Lovely. Wow. Then another head, I guess, another kit. Take this off. This is for your nose. So it's a total kit. You can use all of them. This is for your nose. Very slim one. Plastic here. Let's see. Lovely. No bad. And you have a bag. Lovely thinking of this. You can carry, not something very fancy, but handy to have. Close this way. You can carry with you wherever you want. When you are traveling, the manual, a bad way. They fold this one. This thing I don't like folding this way, but whatever, not bad. So big literature. If you have time, you can read all this. Or no. So I put this thing one side. And we'll go to our machine. Let's see. Yeah, the main kit, the main tool. This one, wow. It has a premium glimpse to it. Lovely. It is premium. It's heavy. I feel heavy because the machine should be heavy. You see Remington is written. The power button to on and off is here. This is, you see, the line 1 is on and the 0 is off, and battery goes down to here for some grip. The bottom, more information is written, very detailed, you can see here. And this head is lovely. It's platinum head. You can see more detail if I put close, golden line. Very premium product. This is one of the most premium product so far. Premium nose or hair cutter, better than Philips. I have unboxed Philips one. Philips is also premium, but this I feel high quality. So this head you can change. If you move this way, see here, golden plastic inside, but here no plastic. Some of them they have plastic here. They are very cheap looking. But this one is not plastic. I tied this one, and the battery should be from down. This way you take this out. They send you a battery, but I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use my rechargeable battery. This is in loop from Panasonic. They're really good high quality battery, and this way put inside the battery and you close. Here we go. Now we close this way. You see, when you match this line here, it will start the machine. This is only one problem. You should have some button here at the middle, but this one has at bottom. I don't like a lot this button at the bottom. It's not that comfortable, to be honest, to manage at the down. The button here, that is more comfortable. So you see here, very strong blade. I feel powerful at my hand. It vibrates a lot. Lovely in this case. You can see here how the head is. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.